Alright everyone, here she is. This is the new bike that I am going to be riding. It is, I think, 2001 YZ125, and it's got some issues. It's, I think we kind of got scammed. So yeah, what we have determined the issues to be is a bent crankshaft. Don't even ask me how you bend a crankshaft, because that just seems impossible to me. As I was saying, the crankshaft is bent. It's you can see, you guys probably can't see it, maybe. Oh, there's no way you guys can see that. The crankshaft is literally bent. There is, yeah, it just runs horribly. Yeah, at the guy's house, it like really didn't seem that bad, but I just had a feeling that there was something wrong with it. Yeah, we ordered the parts last night, the night we got it. So these guys could have really actually had absolutely no clue of what was going on with it, or they knew and they were scammers. They either knew or they absolutely had no idea, which it's pretty hard to have no idea. Like, the 65 has probably 75% more go than this thing right now. Because when the crankshaft would wobble, it would be out of time from the stator, because it would be going back and forth, and then it would be out of time. That's how timing works on two-stroke. It's not like four-stroke at all. But yeah, it makes 120 pounds of compression somehow. Like, I don't know. With the crankshaft moving, you think everything will just be wrecked. But, I don't know. Tonight, we are going to start tearing it down. So I will bring you guys along for the ride. Parts are supposed to be here early next week. So, in a week, we should be riding it, hopefully. That's going to be a long week for me. But it's fine. Like, it's actually a clean bike besides blown motor and the fact that we got scammed. Alright, so we got the 125 here. It's all ripped apart. Just need to fold the motor now, and then that's it. Maybe paint the frame black while we're at it. Not sure yet. So the motor's pulled now. It's on the bench. I will show you one more mistake that they made. They welded the kickstart basically to the motor. Working on that right now. There, I don't know if you can see it. Lighting's not very good in the garage. Those are just little motors, eh? It's probably been like 3 or 4 days since I've last picked up the camera, but I don't even know where I left off, like, at all, so I don't know if the case was split yet, or if the motor was just out on the bench, or what. Like, I really don't know. I don't remember, but now the case is back together, and got the new crank in there that isn't bent. Oh, actually, shout out to the guy who scammed me on this deal in the first place, you know. Big shout out to him, best guy in the world. He's awesome. So, and yeah, the power valve linkage, it was bent. So my dad took it to a welding shop. It was snapped, not bent. So my dad took it to a welding shop. They brazed it all up, everything. So yeah, it's all good. The shifting mechanism is all back together. That took a while, not gonna lie. Yeah, so now just the tranny's back in. It's on that side. So yeah, it should rip pretty good. Really good. Yeah, there's the bike over there. Yeah, pretty well speaks for itself. So yeah, I kind of want to do the break-in tonight, or the one of the heat cycles at least, maybe. If we get that far, it's pretty well ready to slap back together pretty quick here. And we thought we were gonna paint the frame white again because it's scuffed up and whatever, but we did the subframe, so it turned out pretty good actually. Like, it's not bad. So what we did is we took I don't know, it's over here, this sprayable paint stripper. So you spray this stuff on it, it's just an aerosol can, and then you pressure wash the paint off and it literally peels off like butter. So that, and then, you know, they just got their primer under there, which we decided to leave on because that's not a huge deal. And then we spray painted it white, did a clear coat, and that's it. I think we're just gonna do the subframe. I don't really want to tear the whole frame apart. That'll be something for the winter probably. And the 65 chain is still broke. I don't know, probably just get a new chain and tire for it while we're at it. Yeah, I have to go to work in about 15 minutes, and I don't have anything to ride there, so I just have to ride my pedal bike. Kind of want to get this thing back together so I can ride this to work. Be a lot more convenient than pedal bike. We got the subframe here. I think before I have to go to work, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back onto the subframe: exhaust, airbox, fenders, number plates over there. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure how much time I have. I'm gonna see right now. It's 11:33. I believe it's 11:45, so I have like 10 minutes to throw this thing together. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, good old YZ's all back together now. Yeah. This is it. Motor's in. We did the 2 heat cycles. I took it for a ride yesterday. Sorry I didn't bring you guys along for it, but don't worry, you guys will be along for it soon. Alright, I think that's gonna call this video of the quick little YZ build series. The YZ rebuild. One video on it. I thought that would be probably enough. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications so you can be the first one to watch my new videos when I upload. Until next time, peace.